picture was a BBC Africa for a post of say and your goal scorers no mo they had special tutelage from the highest goal scorer ever. I mean, as Samoajan in training in the course of the week. Now, Omunya call partners no 3 players in I think apart from Mohamed Cruz penning your goal, but Inaki Williams a share goal, Jordan Ayew in your goal. Inaki Dokani playing in an interview so person share goal no beshe. Antoine Semenyo also catch and also person share, and he went on to win, gets the goal for us in team. And it was a good sight here with the players. Now, Rich, first of all, with the dresses, I loved it. I loved it, honestly. I loved it. What is it? Be the pele more here na pictures na about I mean who here now much jackets no. So I didn't see a short jersey say. It's me who where is this jersey from? Go back and say no na Jackie, Ghanaian musician Jackie na share these ones or they take on him. So a very very nice one, and especially on a day like that say yellow the info. The yellow color is very very nice. Say the it makes it very nice spy on, and I like the fact say Como. Again, I'll start from say line up in the buyer. You didn't come you didn't come about your front four. And you didn't come about goalkeeper. Goalkeeper make catch us a reach. Debi. At his uncle. But I remember I told you say yeah, Kwakubu game now. Maybe you ever midfield me and because we want to take care of transitions. Alright, again, apart from the fact that I was pleasantly surprised by Benjamin Elba game. Again, for a team, the quality of Chad, the Unya Benjamin Sarija, I don't see a problem with it. Only too far of the quality that's an NA can want some. Or you're decent. And say, of the other advantage, to get to where we want to get to as a nation and also cut love for the Black Stars. Alright, I was surprised with the lineup. And I think say the lineup was too bold for Mutuado. Very, very bold. And Saint Ameko pre-match, post-match press conference, and Kasima maybe say Otto, they say, what informed this lineup? And the player quality, so superior quality than the Chadians, no. And now say the record of the Chadians and in World Cup qualifiers and stuff like that. And Untino call with our lineup, but after the game, I realized that Otto had an impeccable record. Our World Cup qualifiers, which are 5 games of World Cup qualifiers. Washemu miensa, wadromu mienu to yon beating. And World Cup qualifiers, it's just a very good record. Again, and now I share 5. And the very first time since 2020, and he has 5 goals home. And he had a debut game to a branch friend Benjamin Asari at age 32. Which we've not even spoken about the story of Benjamin Asari. I chanced in a documentary from I think Bill Eshen or 3 Media. Now the story of Benjamin Asari is interesting. I'll say about just 5 years ago in Kujai Bobo.
As goalkeeper.
Yeah. Or that is on Twabo or something. Because he was struggling. That man on the house. He was struggling. So we do the top. Local Black Stars or Katim as part of the captains. Had to full captain. Then finally getting a chance to lead the team as number 1 goalkeeper. Oh, crash post team. Most of the time say, "Una Oshe say, oh yeah, interview for Katim for kind of take." Proper ground boy. If you're young Kenny, but growing up there, you can tell say he's somebody or yeah, a fan favorite or something. Really interesting when I saw the lineup. But the first thing, Rich, so show to line up now. Tactically, it can be a 4-3-3, but a variation of it, which for me looks like a 4-1-4-1, depending on see a Kitabona and Nasi and Kitabono and what we want to do. And the person will tell you say, so what shall your lineup near the cob now? Let me go with this lineup. Oh, I see. Now, Mr. Sano Emma or Carlos, no. Then you go because you say yellow on. So let me put some more yellow. Oh, I see. Now for you, a very, very nice Black Stars color. Or tactical board, no so like that. Which your boy Jiku Salisu, your boy Kingsley Shinla, any Mensa, Gideon Mensa, and your boy Thomas Day Party. Did you think see your boy? And it's appearing inside as an 8.
I was very, very surprised. No, Otto person chasing.
Otto say after the game, Otto say he has known Ernest Appiah Nhyama since he was 16. In terms of profiling player, no, and you've been able to share the kind of profile. And again, the thing is that Sawusha Ernest Appiah Nhyama senior born how space no born the woman was good because or you're good inside tight spaces. No. Now you may explain this here compared to your chat for the year. Rich, you Samson Kudus or Fifi, and you're more a front three of Inaki, Antoine Semenyo on the left, Jordan are you playing as a false number 9, and you're Brent Inaki Williams on the right. Hey, but you know now, not Thomas Tempate, a pushy Ababejina 2 center backs in Fifi. Then Gideon Mensah keeps the low with our say. Then you have Kingston Schindler moving up top. Then Abante Fene Ernest Appiah Nhyama in the half space. Then it becomes something like this. It without the ball, a Korea 4-1-4-1. That's the Rex and American was mature. See any ball now, a Patenko the defensive job. So I was worried. See, now a Bukema Paten is fit enough for the transitions to make me really draws now. But for the very first time, I saw Kudus defensive instincts now. See, you free and sir. Quickly he wants to close in and go and do the job. Again, the two center backs were very, very aggressive and I loved it. Kudus, Jiku, and Salisu. Sabon ever from each of them Muzona. They go in and be aggressive and win the ball from them because not child the follow ever in a semblance of a 5-4-5-1. And 50 euro. It with the formation we played. We had Ernest Appiah Nhyama in the right half space. We had Mohamed Kudus in the central half space. Adding Jordan Ayew and then adding Antoine Semenyo to keep the weight and Inaki Williams keeping the weight in the far area. It was very, very good because nearby against a child team reach oh maybe or bet next year Jawa more it is a uncle video highlights now. Your very first goal near share from the off. We look as if we wanted to go and get a goal very, very quickly. Born a call wide, Inaki Williams, and then the flag that came in the box. Yenya Abati Efero and Antoine Semenyo Waba. Then count the number of players you had in the box, Chado. Chado for only more abomachi. But constantly in the box, you had enough numbers to pounce on side rebound no, to make it 1-0. To be very honest, Rich, your game plan, no, any BB and your PCA, no, was dependent on things like either see you concede first and I see you be defended. Need to make us say, you call ball when you concede earlier. You be chasing game too hard. But because we also scored first early,
I mean, settle
yeah. And you say, okay, now you have one goal lead, you know. Now you prepare ball and kaka, you openings, no. She threw ball near the ball 2 box where we won the penalty over there. And they area say me can several times. Semiti Edda Bama Sony as you be obimbo penalty in Shani save me. It's Jordan on any day. He's an excellent penalty taker. And then yet just in Ghana, and we are seeing all the best penalty takers you will see. Hey, I brought your friend Jordan are you. So he gets in the second goal 3-0. Second, I knew that okay now game will end and like I said, say Obo against a child team or settle in a 4-5-1. No, I say okay, remember in a 4-1-4-1, but me 4-1-4-1 me variety. Remember Patia Banechikaka. Then I can wait on the right hand side with Inakimo. Nemenya Ernest Appiah Nhyama inside. It was a very, very good game plan because Chad Photo were 5 players in front of a block. No? And the movement also of Abrantia Yefreno, Jordan Ayew was excellent because Omuvibia, not center back Sidinechi. Oshaya, yeah, attackers falling here. All those our papers, so no baby also Mujano. There was a lot of movement and rotations. Utimuna Jordan now be more left. Na Kudus echo right. Sa
Inaki to me by middle.
No, I be middle.
Na caught on only position.
Wide area all them. Several times.
The same thing.
Exactly. There were a lot of movement, and I said the telepathy is coming. When Jordan plays as a false 9, it can be one of the ways he'll be breaking a lot of the teams when he played Jordan as a false 9 because Jordan, ultimately, coach is one of the 2 feet, you know, or now for about good combination play. And I mean, we try to be Jija born. When I born 1 to us no episode gym.
I said no person should go.
I said no, they
Overall crash or pass.
I said, oh, this will be a nyago.
Oh, who said, look, I did the test. I'm switching.
No, you're too many, be actually. Now, senior one, Sabo in Yago. He wanted to get a go, but it wasn't to be. Maybe I go as a pocket in Madagascar. The other chance of a corner. To which, all in all, tactically, one, I was very, very impressed with Otto. But most importantly, I think the rest has paid off, and that's why I'm impressed with him. Menyesho Otto ever bought a single people to a third party without the ball against Madagascar. Oh, yes, I'm mistaken. I think it's like that. And I was impressed by Mohamed Kudus' instincts on and off the ball, especially off the ball, to counter press and help win the ball quickly for us. Again, you are trying several times in terms of attacking out with any quality. Semenyo, Inaki, Jordan, Kudus, Yobebri. And in a game against Chad, obviously you have to do it. But also, which Chad of one were disastrous. Omonyade.
And you.
Omonyade.
Players on the back.
Omonyade. Some play.
Almost strike give you. You pass the ball. Boy, no chese. Space a done in Kakaka. Yeah, we are so.
You come in the TV legend of the one. Born on Pada. On your mommy.
Commentators are great. Strike out. Yabobo, and only the name. Southam na Casal Sunijiku. Enko. I'm on counter. And Yabobo, the amount. How far will you push your mo? Nanka, you hold that plane, no grana. Invite players in the moment. Akweji born at the moon as well. I was a master when you're not.
It was good one for us.
Yeah, I know man said I'm testing. Obi to 7 Masari, for instance. We say you Munya corner. Yeah, boy, you know, Kingsley Sindler.
Yeah.
Wasn't too good. One said, no opposition Biana, a better testing, sir. Gideon.
Yeah. I think the center back.
Gideon were okay. Gideon, no, I dear about question for a Cassan say. Gideon, Papa, sometimes Bobu or Monsimentum. And now says a young confound and any idea, Bobby, or an average or 10 and a bony finish, happened, or your professor, and or you're very, very smart. And I'll cut down some more branch and a pushina against Madagascar. Oh, yes, sir. Against Chad in the defense room. And apart from that, I think, and I said, now, can your boys no much
professional performance. We have to just do the professional job anyway.
If on the chat for them, say, boy,
Madagascar on even more.
Over they said the man want black stars, no. Confiance is about
how much for
the Otto I know. And young one saw a cow on the pre-conference. Nancy said, look, they say me a new Otto. I
can't see me and me. Obianim say me a pro to Addo. I've always said me person to Addo to stay. I think he's the man take us there. You be see a catcher mo say you to me a chat.
Okay.
Inti enye adwuma bia. Yes, your record in the World Cup qualifiers now. You above 5, you share 3, you draw 2. Obi anchen. You kwakoya against Madagascar.
Govi.
Oh, to what? Mami come as nisi.
Okay.
Ye kwakoya adwuma against Madagascar. Say ye koba. Niesi ye. Ye be niesi ye kano. Ye beka.
A revamp Utuado.
And on your revamp or your quality there that muna munya bi. Na munya so faso.
Is it we bold? Otumi catch a atizigine dodo aloko samasa untra bench we beda
se mo na mo muti na abosun bebre wo
okay
bosun bebre ko fe bi ko fo we want to come automatically get points and money.
No, you back about divide.
Oh, this
on commanding problem no. Onimbo bo pa se bia ya bobo ato ni mienu anim. On found to ka on twon we number 1. But the finishing and where they Ojibo bi watch obia the hu aso da board am.
Come on you.
Come on D. And me bompa ma branch say onye team a so Europe mo. Where fantastic player.
Yeah, very good.
Even Southampton now born na niam ankoyi no. Where there's a Southampton bo game I have no. Omo bobo wi out me say abrante no. Quality.
Or the end product the cover.
The end product na.
Yeah, the end product the cover.
Coaches ni me so mo mo no. Na abrante me feeling no. Me feeling ni pa na. da bia me bomb pa say nyame nya na dom na onfri adom nkwa adom onye team papa emo abroche because talent ekuta branche no on chiremu be two kra on bobo pa obi medase nti wozo Madagascar de hona ma chire Ghana for say afede mo ye quality
yes Madagascar yeduru ya be adwuma na samba ma wunsu.
All right ma yemfa Otto Addo voice si enje Bismarck osu bempa ayala